Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix OpenAI login issues, email and verification errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with OpenAI, this guide will help you troubleshoot common email and verification errors. First, ensure you're using the correct email address associated with your OpenAI account. Check for any typos in your email input. Next, confirm that you are connected to the internet. Sometimes, connectivity issues can prevent you from logging in. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your email. After resetting your password, return to the login page and enter your email and new password. If you're still having trouble, check your email inbox for a verification email from OpenAI. Sometimes, these emails can end up in your spam or junk folder. If you find the verification email, click the link provided within it. If you can't locate the email, request a new verification link. Wait a few minutes for the new email to arrive in your inbox. Once you receive the email, open it and follow the verification steps. If you consistently don't receive verification emails, consider checking your email settings. Adding OpenAI's email address to your contacts may help prevent it from being marked as spam. Additionally, use a different email provider if issues persist. If you see a message indicating your account is locked, follow the instructions provided in that message. If all else fails, you may want to reach out to OpenAI's support team for assistance. Provide details about your issue to help them troubleshoot effectively. Be patient, as response times may vary. Now you are equipped to tackle any login issues with OpenAI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.